Hello and welcome back. My name is Randy Partington, corporate chef for Jimmy P's Charred. Today we're going to be talking about two versatile steaks. First, flank steak. Second, skirt steak. Two things to note is that these are very budget friendly and still Wagyu. Now, flank steak comes from the cow's lower chest or abdominal muscle, and for the most part is very inexpensive, but is also a very versatile cut of beef. Almost containing no fat, usually this is cooked whole rather than in smaller individual pieces. It's very flavorful and very lean. Due to the flank steak's low fat content, it almost doesn't even need to be trimmed. It can be simply seasoned with sea salt or pepper or your favorite meat rub. Flank steak is ideal for fajitas, stir fries, jerky, and other applications that call for beef strips. Now, the skirt steak is a cut from the diaphragm muscles of the cow. Skirt steak also has more fat than flank steak, resulting in a richer flavored meat that also is ideal for most of the same things. Now, both cuts of meat should be marinated 2 to 6 hours before grilling, but never over 12 hours. Marinating a little too long, the acid will break down the meat and it might have a little bit of a mushy texture. And now to the best part, let's cook these. As I said earlier, you can simply sear these with sea salt, cafe ground black pepper, but we're going to use our famous Jimmy P's rub. So, what's the best thing that we can do to complement these steaks? Some fresh chimichurri. Starting from the bottom, working our way up, we have a little bit of sea salt, cafe ground black pepper, crushed red pepper, fresh oregano, a little bit of red wine vinegar, some cilantro, some chopped garlic, some shallots, fresh basil, and some nice Italian parsley. Now, let's mix. Okay, now that we're done with our fresh chimichurri sauce, and our steak is also rested for up to 5 minutes, and we got a beautiful sear on this, using our Jimmy P's famous rub, we're gonna go ahead and cut into this. Now, keep in mind, cutting into this, you can still mess the steak up. So you have this right here, you want to cut against the grain of the steak so that it's nice and tender, so it pulls apart when you're eating it. So let's go ahead and cut it and I'll show you where we're at. Here at Jimmy P's, we're dedicated in providing you with the highest quality grades of Wagyu beef of all kinds. If you'd like to know more, please check us out at Jimmy P's social media pages and jimmypsteaks.com.